Welcome to our review of the top 5 best rated spin mops in 2025. Whether you need effortless cleaning, durability, or innovative features, we've got you covered. Stay till the end to discover a game-changing spin mop that will revolutionize your cleaning routine. Let's dive into the best options available. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The CycloMop Commercial Spinning Spin Mop with Dolly Wheels. This heavy-duty mop is built for durability, ease, and efficiency. Stay till the end to discover why this mop stands out from the rest. 1. Heavy-duty build for long-term use. The CycloMop is designed with high-quality stainless steel and reinforced materials, ensuring years of reliable use. Unlike flimsy mops that break easily, this one is built to withstand tough cleaning jobs, making it perfect for both homes and commercial spaces. 2. Convenient dolly wheel system. Tired of carrying heavy buckets? The built-in dolly wheels allow you to roll the bucket effortlessly from room to room. Cleaning has never been this smooth and hassle-free, no more heavy lifting. 3. 360 degrees rotating mop head. The 360 degrees swivel mop head reaches every corner, effortlessly cleaning under furniture and along edges. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt and grime, and enjoy a sparkling clean floor with minimal effort. 4. Hands-free wringing system. The pedal-powered wringer makes wringing out excess water easy and mess-free. Just step on the pedal, and the mop spins out the dirty water, keeping your hands dry and your cleaning experience hygienic. 5. Ultra-absorbent microfiber mop head. The microfiber mop head traps dust, dirt, and spills effortlessly, leaving your floors spotless. Plus, it's machine washable, making it a cost-effective and eco-friendly choice for long-term use. Conclusion. The CycloMop Commercial Spinning Spin Mop redefines convenience and durability. If you want a mop that lasts for years and makes cleaning easier than ever, this is the one for you. Check the link below and upgrade your cleaning routine today. Number 4. The Libman Spin Mop and Bucket System. Designed for efficiency, durability, and comfort, this mop makes tackling messes effortless. Stay tuned to see why this mop is a game changer and how it can transform your cleaning routine. 1. Ultra-absorbent microfiber mop head. The microfiber mop head is designed to trap dirt, dust, and spills with ease. It provides a deep clean on all floor types, ensuring a streak-free shine. Plus, it's machine washable, making it a long-lasting and eco-friendly cleaning solution. 2. Adjustable handle for comfort. With an adjustable handle, this mop suits users of all heights, preventing back strain. Whether you're reaching under furniture or tackling large spaces, the ergonomic design ensures maximum comfort and ease of use. 3. Durable spin compartment. The spin compartment removes excess water effortlessly, so your floors dry faster. No more bending or wringing by hand, just push down, and let the system do the work for you. 4. Sturdy and long-lasting design. Built with high-quality materials, the Libman Spin Mop is designed for durability. Unlike flimsy mops that break easily, this one withstands regular use, making it a smart investment for any household. 5. Easy to maneuver for efficient cleaning. The lightweight 360 degrees rotating mop head reaches tight corners and under furniture with ease. It glides smoothly across surfaces, allowing you to clean faster and more effectively without hassle. Conclusion. The Libman Spin Mop and Bucket System is the perfect blend of durability, convenience, and efficiency. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, check the link below and experience effortless floor cleaning today. Number 3. The Bissell SpinWave Cordless Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop is here to revolutionize cleaning. With powerful spinning action and a cordless design, it makes floor care effortless. Stay tuned to see why this mop is a must-have for pet owners. 1. Cordless convenience with 18V battery. Say goodbye to tangled cords. The 18V lithium-ion battery provides up to 20 minutes of powerful cleaning on a single charge. Enjoy the freedom to move around your home without restrictions, making floor cleaning faster and more efficient. 2. Dual rotating mop pads for deep cleaning. The dual rotating mop pads effortlessly scrub away stubborn dirt, stains, and pet messes. Unlike traditional mops, this system does the hard work for you, leaving your floors spotless with minimal effort. 3. Safe for sealed hard floors. Designed for sealed hardwood, tile, laminate, and more, this mop delivers a deep clean without damaging delicate surfaces. It ensures a streak-free finish, making every floor shine beautifully. 4. Washable and reusable mop pads. No more wasting money on disposable pads. The Bissell SpinWave comes with washable microfiber mop pads that can be reused multiple times, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective cleaning solution. 5. Perfect for pet owners. Pet hair and paw prints? No problem. This mop is designed to tackle messes from furry friends, leaving your floors fresh and clean. Pair it with Bissell's multi-surface formula for an even better cleaning experience. Conclusion. The Bissell SpinWave cordless pet mop makes floor cleaning effortless and effective. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep your home spotless, check the link below and upgrade your cleaning routine today. Number 2. The 2025 upgraded Spin Mop and Bucket System. Featuring a detachable inner bucket, separate clean and dirty water compartments, and a self-standing handle, this mop redefines convenience. Stay tuned to see why this mop is a must-have. 1. Dual compartment bucket for cleaner floors. Unlike traditional mops, this system keeps dirty water separate from clean water. The dual compartment design ensures you're always mopping with fresh water, preventing dirt from spreading and leaving your floors sparkling clean. 2. Detachable inner bucket for easy emptying. The removable inner bucket makes refilling and emptying water effortless. No more lifting heavy buckets, just detach, pour, and continue cleaning with ease. It's a game changer for hassle-free floor maintenance. 3. Self-standing handle for convenience. The ergonomic self-standing handle means no more bending or leaning your mop against walls. It stays upright on its own, making storage easy and keeping your space neat. 4. Foldable mop head for hard-to-reach areas. The foldable mop head easily reaches under furniture, tight corners, and tricky spots. Now, you can clean every inch of your home without struggling to move heavy furniture. 5. Washable and reusable mop pads. This system includes 2 premium microfiber mop pads, designed for superior absorption and deep cleaning. They're machine washable, making them an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice for long-term use. Conclusion. The 2025 upgraded Spin Mop and Bucket System combines smart design with superior cleaning efficiency. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine, check the link below and experience effortless, streak-free floors today. Number 1. The O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket System makes cleaning effortless with its dual compartment design, hands-free wringing, and superior microfiber technology. Stay tuned to see why this mop is a must-have for every home. 1. Dual compartment bucket for fresh water every time. Unlike traditional mops, this system features separate clean and dirty water compartments, ensuring your floors are cleaned with fresh water every time. No more spreading dirty water, just sparkling, streak-free floors. 2. Hands-free wringing for ultimate convenience. The EasyWring pedal system lets you control the moisture level with a simple foot press. No bending, no mess, just effortless wringing that saves time and effort. 3. Deep cleaning microfiber mop head. The microfiber mop head traps dirt, dust, and bacteria without harsh chemicals. It's safe for all floor types and provides a superior clean, making it perfect for households with kids and pets. 4. 360 degrees rotating mop for hard-to-reach areas. With its 360-degree rotating head, this mop easily reaches under furniture and into tight corners. Now, no spot is too difficult to clean. 5. Includes 3 extra mop refills. This set includes 3 extra mop refills, providing long-lasting value. Each pad is machine washable and reusable, making this system eco-friendly and cost-effective. Conclusion. The O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Microfiber Spin Mop is the ultimate cleaning solution for effortless, hygienic mopping. Ready to upgrade your cleaning game? Check the link below and get yours today. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.